In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect 1688 app with WeChat 5 step by step. By the end, you'll have your 1688 account linked with WeChat, so you can log in quickly and chat with suppliers more easily. First, open the 1688 app on your phone or go to 1688.com in your browser. If you're on mobile, using the official app tends to be smoother. On the home screen, look for the option to access your account and head to the login screen. When you see the login page, tap the button labeled login or sign in. The exact wording can vary, and the interface may appear in Chinese depending on your region, but the placement is consistent on the account or profile area. On the login options, choose WeChat login. This tells 1688 that you want to use your WeChat credentials instead of typing a password. As soon as you select that, 1688 will automatically open the WeChat authorization page. If you're already signed into WeChat on your device, it will jump straight to a permission prompt. If not, just open WeChat beforehand so the handoff is seamless. Keeping both apps updated helps this step work without errors. In WeChat, tap Allow or Confirm Login to authorize the connection. This grants 1688 permission to use your WeChat account for identity verification. Wait a moment while the apps connect. You'll then be redirected back to 1688 and the link is complete. From now on, logging in with WeChat will be just a tap with no extra passwords to remember. Sometimes 1688 will ask you to complete a few account details after linking. This is normal. You may be prompted to add your phone number, enter a verification code sent to that number, and fill out basic profile information. Take a moment to review the fields, confirm they're accurate, and save your settings. This improves account security and ensures you receive important notifications. Once connected, you can use WeChat to communicate more efficiently with suppliers you discover on 1688. You'll receive messages faster. Some suppliers may share a WeChat QR code for quick ads, and it becomes easier to continue your conversations outside the marketplace. Plus, future logins to 1688 are simpler because you can authenticate with WeChat in one step. If you don't see the WeChat option, update both apps and try again. If the screens appear in Chinese, follow the same button positions and look for the familiar WeChat icon on the login page and the confirm button in the authorization prompt. A stable internet connection and allowing app switching between 1688 and WeChat will make the process smooth from start to finish.